Next topic is real income or deflated income. By deflating we means that we adjust or reduce the value which is inflating. This concept is useful for an inflation economy which reduces the real income or purchasing power. This means a rise in money income may not raise the real income. So money income is different from the real income. It emphasizes that we should correct the nominal income in accordance with the rise in corresponding price index. So in any question when you have been asked to calculate the real income or deflated income, you have to apply one formula, that is money income divided by price index. It is your real income. So it is not the only monetary income that you are getting, but monetary income depending upon the price index of the place will be giving you the real income. Now let us see one example how we can calculate the real income. So it is a practical example where you can see that we have been given the wages. Wages means the monetary wages that a person is getting divided by its price index. So now if we have to calculate the real wages in this question, so I will be applying the formula my money wages divided by price index as we have seen in the previous example, multiplied by 100 if we want to convert it into a percentage type. So in the first case, our wages, money wages are 800, price index is 100. So let us multiply it with 100. So first answer will be 800. In the second year, 819 divided by 105 multiplied by 100. So second answer will be 780. Now for the third year, 825 divided by 110 into 100. So third answer is 750. Next will be 876 divided by 120 into 100, that is 730. And the last will be 920 divided by 125 into 100, that is 736. This is how we will be calculating the real wages. Now one more thing we can do here is we can also find out real wages index number if in any question it has been asked. If you have been asked about the real wages, you can stop here. But if in certain questions you have been asked about the real wages index number, then you will have to apply one more step. What we will do is, this is our first calculation, that is 800, and we will consider 2009 as the base year as nothing has been given in the question. So what we are going to do, each year's wages divided by base year wages into 100. For the first year, 800 is the current wages. This also is our base year, so it will be like this. So first answer is 100. For the second year, now see, 780 is the current year's wages divided by base year's wages into 100. So index number will be 97.5. For the third year, if you want to calculate, 750, 800 is the base year to 100. So this answer will be 93.5. For the next year, 730 divided by 800 into 100, this answer will be 91.25. And last is 736 divided by 800 into 100, this answer will be 92. So like this we can calculate the real wages index number and the real wages.